What would happen if Earth stopped spinning? Did you know that the Earth's rotation has slowed down about 6 hours in the past 2,740 years? High school geography probably taught you that the Earth spins on its axis as it revolves around the Sun. This is responsible for the pattern of day and night. If you've ever wondered what would happen if the Earth stood still, stick around to find out. The Earth rotates due to how it was formed. About 4.6 billion years ago, the collapse of a massive cloud of gas and dust created the Earth. Once something is set in motion, it doesn't stop in space because there's no air friction. Unlike a spinning top in your hand, the Earth doesn't experience friction in space, so it has kept rotating for billions of years. It's unlikely that the Earth will stop spinning altogether. This may only happen if it's hit by an equal amount of force in the opposite direction. The Earth may turn forever, but exploring what could happen if it ever halts is still exciting. Can you imagine having 6 months of sunshine? That's what'll happen if Earth stops spinning. The day and night rhythm is disrupted if the Earth's rotation stops. Consequently, it can take up to half a year for the other end of the Earth to see the sun. The days also become much hotter while the nights are much cooler. This change in the daytime and nighttime temperatures causes gigantic swirls of wind, almost as large as whole planets. One of the beautiful things about the night sky is how the constellations change. Unfortunately, if the Earth stands still, you'll look at the same sky each night. The constellations won't be migrating across the sky or changing throughout the year. Have you ever been in a fast-moving car, and someone slammed the brakes? Yeah, picture the same thing happening to the Earth. If the Earth suddenly stops moving, the momentum will send people, rocks, and other objects flying toward the east. Landscapes will change drastically and may trigger devastating earthquakes. Truthfully, the Earth's rotation has slowed, but this isn't causing significant changes. It's highly unlikely that the Earth will come to a complete stop, so you can quit worrying. What you can do, however, is to look for the changes you can make to minimize climate change, a real threat to Earth's survival.